after every show, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get my music together.
Yep, I always forget. I've done the same thing. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh, you got AC.
Sorry, just got in here.
Oh, you did?
Get the AC.
Oh, you're good.
Going.
How'd the meter do?
I did a 145.3 in the kicker.
Okay.
Getting there.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting there. I was hired, but
See, electrical, a lot of stuff has factors for it. So, run down real quick your name and what all's in here.
okay. I have. Sorry.
You're good.
My name is Candice Smith. I have 2 Sundown X8s and a Wolfram 1.5K, and a 370, I think 370 excessive amperage amp or alternator.
Alternator, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it
Alright.
so far. Oh, boxes by Raw Customs, Jacksonville.
Raw Customs, Jacksonville. All right. What were you wired to? Your ohm load?
1 ohm.
1 ohm.
They're 2 ohm subs. Wired to 1 ohm.
Okay.
I'm about to rewire everything. Yeah.
All right. Yes, ma'am. Can I see the back real quick? All right. Thank you. Thank you for the demo, Candice. Oh yeah. Nice.
So I'm getting there.
Sounds good.
Let me get you a song.
Yes, ma'am.
This isn't my normal music. Darn. Sorry.
You do anything.
After every show, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get my music together.
Yep, I always forget. I've done the same thing. Like 27, 28 hertz there at the end.
It can do, it's got a good range to it. He built it because I just listen to a lot of music. I like dance and stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
So he built it for like all different genres and for competing.
Yeah, so you have a little bit of SPO and you have a musical range background.
I know, he's trying to convince me. He's like, let me do your doors so you can do like, you can do like sound quality and stuff. But
you happy with it?
I'm very happy with it.
Okay.
I just, I kind of want to race this car, so I'm gonna have to have to go a different route.
I understand.
This is how you get picture, baby. I'm stimulated. I'm at the when she stimulated, syndicated all the time. Vegas, I got the juice, but I ain't in it, made it, but a nigga made it just minutes later. Shut the fuck and let me finish, baby. Why the fuck you so opinionated? Yeah, you book smart, but don't be getting paper. Shoot raps in the wind. Getting back to back wins. Made 20 bands playing features. And now I'm needing feature every time I trying to get it now, only get you none. So I don't give a fuck who these niggas think. So now I'm fucking these niggas hate it when these bitches fucking so opinionated, saying how you I'm stimulated. I'm at your dog when she stimulated. It's syndicated. All the fucking let me finish, baby.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.